Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our English Speaking and Listening Club. I hope you are doing amazing today. In this video, we are going to talk about a topic that everyone in the world wants to know: how to become happy in life. Happiness is something we all desire, but many of us struggle to find it. We look for happiness in money, success, relationships, or material things. But true happiness comes from within. Today, I'll share tips, habits, stories, and practical strategies that can help you live a happier, more fulfilling life. Part 1. Understanding happiness. Happiness is a state of mind. It's not about having everything. It's about appreciating what you have. Happiness doesn't mean your life is perfect. It means you can find joy and contentment even with challenges. Psychologists say that happiness is influenced by three main factors. Genetics. Some people are naturally more positive. Circumstances. Life events like money, relationships, or health can affect mood. Intentional activities, the actions you take, your mindset. And habits have the biggest impact on long-term happiness. This means that you have control over your happiness, regardless of external circumstances. Part 2. Common misconceptions about happiness. Many people make mistakes while chasing happiness. Happiness comes from money. While money can make life easier, it cannot guarantee joy. Success equals happiness. Achieving goals is satisfying, but it doesn't automatically create lasting happiness. Happiness means no problems. Life always has challenges, but happiness is how you respond to them. Waiting for the right moment, waiting for perfect circumstances often delays happiness. True happiness comes from mindset, habits, and perspective, not external factors. Part 3. The power of a positive mindset. Your mindset plays a huge role in happiness. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means focusing on solutions and opportunities instead of obstacles. Here are some ways to develop a positive mindset. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. Focus on solutions instead of worrying about problems. Focus on actionable steps. Avoid negative self-talk. Replace thoughts like "I can't" with "I will try." Surround yourself with positivity. Be around people who uplift and inspire you. Celebrate small wins. Even small progress deserves recognition. When you train your mind to focus on positive thoughts, happiness becomes a natural outcome. Part 4. Habits of happy people. Happy people follow certain habits that help them maintain joy. Mindfulness and meditation. Being present reduces stress and increases satisfaction. Regular exercise, physical activity releases endorphins, boosting mood. Helping others, acts of kindness create happiness for both giver and receiver. Pursuing passions, doing what you love brings fulfillment. Spending time with loved ones, relationships are a major source of happiness. Limiting social media, comparing yourself with others online often reduces happiness. Learning continuously, growth and new skills create a sense of accomplishment. Part 5. Stories that teach happiness. Let me share a story. A man named Rohan was unhappy despite having a high-paying job. He worked long hours, compared himself to others, and ignored his health and relationships. One day, he started practicing gratitude, spent time with family, and pursued his hobby of painting. Slowly, he felt happier, more energetic, and more fulfilled. Another example is Mira, who always chased success but felt empty. She began volunteering at a local charity, helping children and the elderly. She discovered that helping others brought her immense joy, more than money or awards ever did. These stories show that happiness is found within, in how you live and what you value, not in external achievements. Part 6. Practical steps to become happier. Here are actionable steps to increase your happiness. Start your day with gratitude. List 3 to 5 things you are thankful for each morning. Exercise daily. Even a 20-minute walk improves mood. Limit complaints. Focus on solutions instead of problems. Spend time with positive people. Avoid toxic relationships. Practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, and being present. Reduce stress. Pursue passions and hobbies. Do what excites you. Give to others. Acts of kindness increase happiness hormones. Avoid comparing yourself. Your journey is unique. Laugh and have fun. Humor is a natural stress reliever. Reflect and celebrate. End your day thinking about what went well. Part 7. Mental habits to break to become happy. Avoid these harmful habits. Negative thinking. Focus on positive possibilities instead of failures. Perfectionism. Stop expecting life to be flawless. Dwelling on the past. Learn lessons but live in the present. Fear of the future. Prepare, but don't worry excessively. Comparison with others. Happiness comes from appreciating your own life. Part 8. daily happiness routine here. S, a sample daily routine for happiness. Morning, gratitude journaling and 10 minutes of meditation. Afternoon, exercise and pursue a hobby or skill. Evening, spend time with family, friends. Do a kind act for someone. Night, reflect on accomplishments and lessons. Learned consistency and habits gradually rewires your brain to feel happier naturally. Part 9. Inspirational insights. Happiness is a choice, not a destination. Challenges are inevitable, but they don't have to steal your joy. Small daily actions compound into lasting happiness. Giving, learning, and growing bring more joy than material wealth. Life is beautiful when you focus on what you have, not what you lack. Part 10. Personal motivation. Personally, I used to think that happiness would come after success, money, or achievements, but I realized that waiting for external events only delayed my joy. When I started practicing gratitude, mindfulness, and helping others, I noticed my happiness grow every day. Happiness is not a future goal, it's a present practice. Part 11. Long-term benefits of being happy. Improved mental health, better physical health, stronger relationships, more productivity and creativity. A positive impact on others around you. Happiness is not just personal. It spreads to your family, friends, and community. Part 12. Common myths about happiness. Happiness comes from money. True joy comes from mindset and actions. I need perfect circumstances to be happy. Happiness can exist, even in difficult times. Success equals happiness. Achievements give satisfaction, but not lasting joy. I am happy only if everyone else approves. True happiness is independent of others' opinions. Breaking these myths opens the path to a fulfilling and joyful life. Part 13. Exercises for happiness daily. Gratitude journal. Write 3 things you are grateful for. Random acts of kindness help someone every day, no matter how small. Mindfulness practice. 10 to 15 minutes of meditation or deep breathing. Positive affirmations. Repeat statements like, I am worthy of happiness. Reflect on lessons learned. Focus on personal growth rather than failures. Laugh daily. Watch something funny or share jokes with friends. Set personal goals. Achievable goals bring a sense of accomplishment. Part 14. Final thoughts. Happiness is not about waiting for the perfect life or comparing yourself with others. It's about choosing joy, practicing gratitude, focusing on growth, and spreading positivity. Every day gives you the chance to take small steps that lead to lasting happiness. Remember, happiness is not a destination, it's a way of living, thinking, and acting. Closing, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this inspires you to be happier in life and apply these tips, habits, and practices every day. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational, educational, and practical content. Always remember, happiness is a choice, and you have the power to create it starting today.